Hey Potato Head, welcome back to another fantastically exciting video. Today, we're going to dive into the marvelous world of AI and all the mind-blowing tools it has to offer to make your life 10 times faster and easier. I mean, who needs creativity and hard work when you have AI, right? So, let's explore the top 10 sarcastically useful AI tools to make your first faceless YouTube video 10x better, faster, and more professional. And I want to remind you that all the tools used in this video are completely free. Yes, you heard it right, and you don't have to pay even a single dollar to use them. All the steps shown in this video are completely generated by AI with the help of all these free tools, and the result is quite amazing for those who don't want to spend a single dollar on a fancy tool or don't have any budget to start. First and foremost, let's dive into the video with our first AI tools. Answerthepublic.com. With these AI tools, you can snip into your competitor, generate ideas, and look at search volume and competition based on the topic and alphabetic order. It is very useful to find an idea for your YouTube video with high search volume and low competition. For the next website, we have Mixkit.com. With the help of this website, you can find a copyright-free video, background, photo, music, sound effects, templates, etc. to use without getting any copyright claim to your video. You can find a video that fits your script or your scene. You can also select a variety of music on this website. The background you see in this video is also from this website. Let me play a few songs and sound effects for you so you can get an idea. With this website, you will be able to save up to $15 to $20 in monthly subscription fees without paying, and you will be able to monetize your channel and earn money from it too. And yes, I did too with my other channel when I was starting my channel with a low budget. For the next AI tool, we have Rapidtags.io. This AI tool is crazy and one of the competitors for vidIQ and TubeBuddy. This AI generates low competition keyword tags for your YouTube video based on the topic and title. It also generates hashtags for your TikTok video, which helps you save a lot of time with just one click. For the next AI tool, this one is my favorite. I use it almost all the time in my daily life. Qillbot.com. Without this AI website, I could not get more stressed. In short, this is one of the best alternatives to Grammarly. If you don't know about Grammarly, let me brief you. Grammarly is also an AI tool that helps you to assistants to communicate with confidence, make your writing faster, and correct your grammar in a matter of seconds, as it says. It makes life much easier if your English and grammar are not good. With this AI, you can correct your grammar and make it sound more professional. You can even translate your script into another language with just a click. This tool is very helpful and powerful for content creators, bloggers, writers, and freelancers, and it can even be used for various purposes. For our next AI tools, this is also one of my favorite tools, which I use daily, and a must-have AI tool for 2023. It's none other than Capcut. Yes, it's in Capcut. I don't have any words to explain this software. It is too good to be free. All the video you saw in this video was edited and done using Capcut. The result is amazing, and the workflow in this software is much faster, easier, and more beginner-friendly. You can even use this software on both your laptop and phone, and it's 100% free until now when this video is uploaded. Our next AI tools need a separate video to explain. In short, these AI tools are completely all in one package. Type in tinywow.com. With these AI tools, you can do a lot of things in one place. You can convert a PDF to an image, generate a whole story or essay, edit a PDF, convert an image to any format, generate a whole article with one click, and convert text to an image. The result is also quite amazing. You can also generate a whole script idea for your YouTube video with the help of this AI. And you can do a lot more professional stuff with this AI. Our next AI is videocandy.com, which has free AI tools for video editing, recording, looping, trimming, and compressing with the help of this AI. I recorded this entire video. Let me know your thoughts on the comments and what you think about this AI tool. Our next AI tool is quite simple and easy to use. This AI can remove any object from the picture. Type cleanup pictures, drag the photo or picture you want to remove the object and select the object with the brush. And wait a few seconds, and it's done. This AI is quite useful for making good YouTube thumbnails. For our next free-to-use AI tool, type Adobe Firefly With this AI, you can create or generate Photoshop-level art, images, and characters. You can also add the object to the picture with the help of these AI features. Let's upload our jet picture. Select the area you want to generate the object. Describe the object you want to generate, and click on Generate. Select the image whichever you want. If you don't like any of them, don't worry, you can click More. It will generate a different image. This AI can generate only 3 images at a time, so you have to click more and more until you like the image, or you have to describe which images are related to your object if you don't find the right one to fit in your image. With this AI, you can completely generate whole new images with the same image you have. Our next AI tool is a complete lifesaver and best for meme lovers. With this AI, you can download various ready-to-use meme images. Type Giphy and click the first link. You can find all the memes on the internet here. You can find this kind of GIF that all of your favorite YouTubers use on their videos all the time. For our last AI tool, we're going to use this character to explain how we can make any character speak our script just like this using AI. You can build a completely new character for your video. Type Adobe Cartoon. Choose the character you like. You can also select different kinds of backgrounds that fit your character or add your own background images. You can also choose the different characters you want or use my type of character if you like it. You can try it for yourself and choose the best one that fits or suits your video. You can also record your voice and sync your audio with the character, or you can upload the audio files up to 1 GB and wait for a few minutes, and it will sync your audio with your character, and you are ready to go. For those who are still watching my video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Make sure to follow me on all social media. I'm giving away $2,500 to one of you when my channel hits 100K subscribers for my YouTube family as a token of love. So please help me reach the goal of 100K subscribers. And make sure to comment below if you like this video or if you need part 2 of this video.